In order to caramelize sugar, take 1 cup of sugar on a pan and then heat it until it melts. Then slowly pour half cup of warm water. Please be careful while doing this. Those who are beginners, please be very careful about it. Next, once you have poured the water, then let the sugar melts fully and bring a dark honey color, more darker than honey, and a proper consistency like honey. Then off the gas and then just keep it for cooling. In the meantime, you can do the preparation, preheating your oven. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. Take 1.5 cup heaped of all-purpose flour or maida. Into it add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of cake masala, which contains a little bit of cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom and cloves. Now let's take soaked fruits, which are raisins, currants, dates is there, apricot is there. You can see glazed cherries, tutti frutti. Now in another bowl, I am taking around 200 grams of butter. I have taken salted butter, so I shall not add extra salt. Then into it, I have added half cup of powdered sugar and we are going to beat it nicely. Into this, we are also adding around 3 tablespoons. Now I shall be adding 3 eggs, one after other. So after adding 1 egg, I shall be adding a little bit of dry ingredient and then we'll be beating it so that it will not curdle. Same way I will repeat it with the other 2 eggs also. You can see it. Now we shall be adding a cooled caramelized sugar and once again we are going to beat it. Now we are going to mix the soaked fruits and the unsoaked fruits into the dry ingredients and then little by little we will be adding this after mixing well into the batter. Okay. I am adding around 1/3 cup of marmalade jam which I am having. So this can add to the taste, or even you can add the zest of orange. It's not necessary, it's optional. If you're having a marmalade jam in room temperature, then well and good, go with it. Or you can even add pineapple jam. Now it's time to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So gently, part by part, mix them in cut and fold method, and after mixing them thoroughly, then your batter is ready to bake. The batter is all ready to be decorated in whichever way you like, and you can now bake it in a preheat oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. So, all the best. Thank you.